What's going on, guys? Rebel Hick here. We're gonna do a farm vlog today. I got this new Xfinity Wi-Fi. It works pretty good. We're probably not gonna do any farming. We do have to unload some hay. I don't know if we're gonna get any video of that or hopefully see some groundhogs. That's what we're after. Thank you guys for watching. Go check her out. Hopefully we get some groundhogs or something. I gotta go. See you guys on the flip side here. What's up, guys? We're just unloading hay. This is Groundhog's part 2. Where's he going? Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Hopping in. Alright, we're hopping in. Okay, guys, we're just about to take a shot. Can't even see the groundhog. Is he out there? Oh, yeah, I see him. Oh, you guys can't get that shit. I can't see him really well on the camera. Get a good shot in 243. Think you can? Can't you put your scope to 9 power? Oh. What? Well, if you're standing the whole way back here. Gonna shoot some groundhogs today, boys. Alright, yep. Maybe I can get a good zoom in on him now. Still can't. He's right. Oh shit, he's right there. If you guys, he's gonna pounce him at the 243 maybe. Where'd he go? His gun just heard the firing pin. Didn't go off. Gage, I could have shot him twice. I could have shot him twice. There, maybe you guys can see him now. He's back in there. It's really... You plow him? I think we might have got a groundhog, boys. The old pig. This is what we do all the time, plow groundhogs at the farm, in fields. The cows have this pastured pretty good. See if the fence is on quick. I don't think it's on. Is the fence on, Gage? Huh? I don't think the fence is on, boys, but he's going out here. Starting to run. See what he does. Yeah, there's a church right up there. Find him! There we got one, boys. Hold her up, boss. Yeah, that's a fat one too. I can't go and zoom any farther. We're definitely going to be killing more groundhogs. Gotta get a GoPro. Oh, I have the GoPro, but I gotta get a bigger SD card. We'll talk to him when he gets in here. Alright, what do we got here? Wow, look at that. Good old ground pig. Dead? Oh, yeah. Yep. Just another day at the farm. Shooting the hogs. Well, we're gonna find out if this fence is on. Is it on? Oh, the bottom wire ain't electrified. I think it's on.
Very good.
Doing it for the viewers. No, it ain't on. That's good. Let the cows out. Fence isn't even on. It's fine. We're pros. Pros anyway. Alright. Back to you guys later. See you guys on the flip side. Alright guys, we're at Beach Creek Farm now. 2 baby skunks right underneath the chalk bin. That goes. They're winning Groundhog, Gage. Right underneath this boardroom. There's a turtle right there. See the skunks, boys? They need shot. Oh no, that's a mother skunk. Never mind, it's not a groundhog. Right here.
Mother skunk. Get out of there.
Baby skunks. The mother's under there. Set a box trap here. Hopefully get these guys out of here. Yeah.
The babies.
Probably. They're not too small.
I was gonna grab it very much over.
Got the turtle down there. He don't want spread.
Alright, you pay attention.
Alright, get back to you guys. Quick update, guys. We got the skunks. These are just little guys. This one won't spray yet. That one might have sprayed. We're gonna let them go. We're actually gonna give him this guy. He descents them and see what happens from there. Quick update, guys. We got the skunks. These are just little guys. This one won't spray yet. That one might have sprayed. We're gonna let them go. We're actually gonna give him this guy. He descents them and see what happens from there. What's going on, guys? Pretty successful day, if I do say so myself. We did. Can't believe we seen them baby skunks. We left them go. If we catch a mother, we should be catching her tomorrow. If we catch a mother, we're gonna let her go. We're gonna let her go with the babies, you know, kind of survival. But we did let them go. Thought about killing them, but let them go somewhere where they're not gonna come back. But thank you guys for watching. We are going to be doing more videos. I've been having a lot of questions for the 1,000 subscriber video. I've just been busy working. I know that's not a good excuse, but you got to get that money in. Do more videos because Donovan got his license and we're doing some fishing videos, guys. Getting a bag. I need to get a bigger SD card, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Go check out the Instagram. DM me. Let me know what you think we should do. I was thinking about doing a giveaway. Put down below if you're interested. Go check out Tioga coffee. I still have some of that. It's good stuff, guys. Seriously. Night Stalker spray. Yeah, that light's right there. Yeah. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys on the flip side. There will be more videos. You gotta get back onto it, guys. Next video we do, I think I'm gonna start a schedule. And let you guys know. Do videos every week or something. have to find out here in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.